Okay, so today we are talking about ratios, proportions, and percents. For percents, if you're going from percent to decimal, you're going to move your decimal place 2 places to the left. So if there is not a decimal place, there is one implied right here, or right here, or right here. And so you're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 1, 2, this would be 0.25. 1, 2, this would be 0.05. So you might have to put a placeholder in there. This would be 1, 2, this is 1.1, 1, 2. You're going to have to put a placeholder in there, 0.075. Pause the video and try 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we're going to go in the complete opposite direction. We're going to go from decimal to percentage, so that means we're going to move it 2 places to the right. So 1, 2 would be 74%. 1, 2 would be 4%. 1, 2 would be 322%. 1, 2 is 2.3%. Please pause and try 12, 13, and 14 for tomorrow. Okay, for 15, 16, and 17, I'm going to give you a little equation. Is over of equals percent over 100. So the 100 will never ever change. So, got a proportion with 100 right here. And it says 24 is, so that goes where the is in the equation. 16%, that goes where your percent is, of what number? You don't know, so you put in x. Now we have a proportion with one variable that we can solve for. We simply cross multiply. We get 24 times 100 is 2400 equals 16 times x is 16x. Solve by dividing by 16 and you get x equals 150. Number 16 is over of equals percent over 100. Again, the 100 is there. And plug in what you know. 18% of what? You don't know what? Is 156. Cross multiply. 156 times 100 is 15,600 equals 18 times x is 18x. Divide, you get x equals 1,950. Okay. Please pause the video and try number 17 for tomorrow. Notice it says 40 is what percent, so now you are finding the percentage, so your x is going to be in a different place. Okay, number 18. The Justin Bieber concert you have been waiting for just announced 27% off tickets for those who score proficient or advanced on the end of course exam. The original cost is $120. How much will the ticket cost if you earn the discount? Okay, there's 2 ways to do this. You can say, what is 27% of 120? All we need to do for this, yes, you could set up a proportion, but you could say 27% is the same thing as 0.27 times $120. If you do 0.27 times 120, that means that your discount will be $32.40. So if your ticket started at 120 and you take out your discount of $32.40, you would be left with a ticket price of $87.60. That's option number 1. Option number 2 is to say, okay, well, if my discount is 27%, that means that I am going to pay 73%, which is 0.73, because 27 plus 73 is 100%. That's how I came up with that. So if I do 0.73 times 120, it would give me the same ticket price of $87.60. Again, option number 3 is to say what is 27% of 120, or what is 73% of 120, and do a proportion. Either way you choose, please use it to do number 19 for tomorrow. Number 20. Talking about ratios. The ratio of boys to girls at the Lil Wayne concert is 5-2. Interpret this ratio. All this means is that for every 5 boys, there are 2 girls at the concert. How did I know the order? Boys, girls, 5, 2. Okay, number 21 is a little bit different. It says the ratio of cars to trucks on the road is 7-2, and you know a total. Okay? If you know a total, that means you have to have a sum. Something sums to give you a total of 180. Well, if I do 7 plus 2, that is not going to give me 180. But if I do 7x plus 2x, I can figure out what x has to be in order to give me 180. So 7x plus 2x is 9x. And if I divide by 9, I get 20. So how many of them are trucks? Well, if we do cars to trucks, that means cars, trucks. The 2x represents the trucks, so we do 2 times 20, since x is 20, and we say that there are 40 trucks. Okay, last one. Solve the proportion. You're going to try this one on your own for tomorrow. Make sure that you put parentheses around x plus 3 so that when you cross multiply, you distribute.